Entron Controls, a full-line manufacturer of resistance welding controls, presents the best-selling EN6001, loaded with features that helps manufacturers improve weld quality, minimize scrap, avoid operator errors, and reduce training costs. Key features of the EN6001 are constant current regulation, conduction monitoring, and the simplified Easyweld mode. The benefits are advanced welding technology for consistently high-quality welds, but with simple setup and operation for efficient manufacturing. At the heart of the EN6001 controller is the constant current regulation, which monitors amperage so that the control can adjust to precisely maintain the current set in the weld schedule. And this can be done through primary or secondary monitoring. The EN6001 maintains constant current through a range of conditions, such as changes in line voltage or changes in the weld machine's secondary circuit due to wear. The EN6001's conduction monitoring system preemptively alerts the quality personnel when the welding current diverges from the control's programmable limits. If the weld control requires higher effort to maintain constant current, that indicates there may be wear in the secondary circuit. If the control requires lower effort, there may be shunting in the secondary circuit. Either of these warning conditions indicates the potential for weld quality issues and a need for maintenance. The EN6001 can send these warnings to a PLC or Level 2 system for predictive maintenance. The EN6001's programmable settings are visible through an LCD interface that provides access to up to 64 weld programs. Once the EN6001 has been programmed, the Easyweld feature may be enabled, limiting the operator's access to key parameters in a single location, with programming similarities for operators familiar with the legacy EN1000 series controls. This simplicity reduces the risks of editing incorrect parameters and reduces training time for new operators. At any time, a supervisor can override Easyweld mode to access the full range of EN6001 parameters. The EN6001 has several optional accessory switches available, including program lockout, error reset, part counter reset, and weld no weld. It is available in a range of enclosure options, offering multiple cabinet sizes with a choice of mounting configurations, as well as options for multiple timers, all of which can be installed on new or existing tooling. For example, the adaptable new S Plus cabinet features dual mount end plates that enables the control to be mounted on either side of the welder or used on a benchtop, and the V-door design adds unimpeded access to install and service the control safely. For faster backup and cloning of weld schedules, the EN6001 features integrated USB support as standard. The EN6001 can go a step further with the optional Ethernet IP card, available as a factory configuration or in a kit for field installation. With the Ethernet IP card, you can create or modify weld schedules and control the operation of the EN6001 with Entron's EnLink software, or through other devices such as a PLC. Owners of existing EN1000 and EN2000 series controllers can take advantage of the EN6001's advanced features with a retrofit kit that has been engineered to upgrade these older units. The kit includes a new EN6001 timer, power circuit board, and required hardware. An Ethernet IP card is also available as an option. For more information about Entron's range of products or to order your EN6001 welding control, contact your resistance welding machine builder, automation integrator, or simply visit us at www.entroncontrols.com.